Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Let's see what this last day of September holds in store for us. And we're expecting it to remain fairly cloudy over the eastern parts of South Africa today. Still a few showers around and lots of drizzle expected along that eastern escarpment. But things will gradually start clearing through the area during the course of today. Over western South Africa, it's going to be a clear, dry and warmer day across the area. And as a low pressure system travels along the south coast, this is going to result in very gusty conditions along parts of the Eastern Cape coastline this afternoon. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for today. That's for a high fire danger expected over much of western South Africa due to the warmer weather in that area. Runaway fires will be possible. Our rainfall probabilities for today, and we see that there's just an isolated chance for a few showers from western Limpopo into the northwest province, including Gauteng and the Mpumalanga highveld, while along the escarpment areas and towards KwaZulu-Natal's coastline, we are expecting a chance of light rain still, but we're expecting clearance over KwaZulu-Natal today. Up to a 60% chance of rain in the forecast over the eastern parts of Limpopo. Clear weather expected over the western and southern portions. Now, western South Africa is going to see temperatures into the upper 20s and lower 30s and even hotter along the western coastline due to berg winds, 37 degrees for Vredendal. Cape Town warms to a very pleasant 27 and a pair of 22s are expected for both Port Elizabeth and East London. It's going to be a cool day onto the highveld and along that eastern escarpment with persisting cloud cover in some places. Now, winds will be blowing off the western coastline of South Africa today, fresh at times for Alexander Bay. Berg winds across this area. Swells continue to decrease with an average height of 2 meters. And as we head further south, we're expecting light winds around the Cape Peninsula and Hermanus, but a moderate northeasterly wind expected for Cape Agulhas, and we're also expecting swells to remain low across the region. For the south coast, we're expecting swells to average at about 2.5 meters out in the open ocean, and along with this, we're forecasting easterly to northeasterly winds, moderate in speed for much of the day, but becoming fresh at times for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. And finally, along the east coast of South Africa, we're expecting moderately good beach conditions across this area. This is mainly due to the winds along the Wild Coast and East London, getting up to 40 kilometers per hour over this area. A bit of light rain around for Richards Bay this afternoon. Durban, on the other hand, can expect moderate wind speeds of 25 kilometers per hour and swells remaining low at 1.5 meters out in the open ocean.
News that moves. eNCA.com.